Hello fans. Now that weren't a struggle. Maybe one. No. Anyway. So I say, as they're going straight up there, there's also another path, and it's quite gentle, like kind of similar to struggle. Yeah, I say, cotton bud around here. The heck. I'm going to the bar, people. Oh, I better not lose a minute of that. That one got me. Jeez. Don't always catch me out. Right. I think it's round this way. That bit more gentle path. Yes. It's round this way. Cause I say that way just not really climb up. So if I go this around and also like it's kind of just like up. Yes, start to climb up that bit. Muddy fans, a bit be careful. So fans, I know I've got plenty of shots of it, but I just thought I'll wait until I see it again. But what a great day this is! A great day to arrive on the 5th of January 2024. A positive year, yes. So I'll just wait until Barnard comes again. And as you never know, I might see some deer as well.